شادي ما هو زين بعيدين مرة. دف اللي معك.
We are very glad to be in India. The relation between India and the Arabian Peninsula, which Saudi Arabia represents around 80% of the Arabian Peninsula, it goes to thousands of years of history, even before history is written. So the relation between India and the Arabian Peninsula, it's in our DNA in Saudi Arabia. And since we remember ourselves, we know Indian people, they are as a friend, and they are part of building Saudi Arabia in the past 70 years. And I believe also there is a lot of Saudi work and develop a lot of things in India for hundreds of years. And in this trip we will just show a few examples of those Saudis who work in India from hundreds of years and really contribute in a good way in India. And today we want to be sure that this relation is maintained and improved for the sake of both countries. And with the leadership of Mr. President and Mr. Prime Minister, I'm sure we can create good things for Saudi Arabia and India. Thank you.
Thank you.